Once you navigate to the CITI program homepage at www.citiprogram.org, you will select the Register option in the top right-hand corner. Once you begin the registration process, you will notice that the sequential steps are displayed here at the top, steps 1 through 7. I will reference these steps from time to time through our process to ensure that we are on the same page. To begin, in the text box, we need to type the affiliation of our university. We can choose Winthrop University from the drop-down menu. Then, agree to the terms of service and affirm that you are an affiliate of Winthrop University. Once you click these two checkboxes, you can continue to create your CITI program username and password in the blue Continue bar. Step 2, again, notice the display at the top. You will enter your personal information. So I'm going to use Big Stuff as the mascot of Winthrop University as a mock person to continue this tutorial. Email address, I recommend that you use the information that you use for all your Winthrop username and login information, and that way it's easier for you to remember. You are not required to enter a secondary email address, but you would do this if you needed a password verification or access back into your account. Once you've entered your name and your email address, continue to step 3. Step 3, you're going to create a username and password. Again, I recommend that you use the username and password that you use to log into all of your Winthrop related information. I think that will make life a lot easier for you in case you were to forget. Create a password and verify that. Notice that the password should consist of 8 to 50 characters and is case sensitive. And then additionally, use a security question. So I'm going to use the question, in what city were you born? And of course, Big Stuff was born in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Of course, you will make these security questions specific to you. Once you have entered that information, continue to step 4. In step 4, you will enter your country of residence, which is the United States, and continue to step 5. In step 5, the question, are you interested in the option of receiving continuing education units or CEUs for credit for completed CITI program courses? You can click no. This is for really for individuals who need CEUs in their career path. That may be you one day, but at this point it is not you. As you scroll down this page, the second section does not apply to you since you picked no and not yes. Next question, can CITI program contact you at a later date regarding participation in a research survey? This is your choice. I'm going to click no. Additionally, can CITI program contact you at a later date with marketing information? I'm also going to click no. As you continue to step 6, you will need to complete the appropriate information. So English preference, institutional email address is the same email address probably that you entered earlier. Enter your gender, highest degree completed, which is probably high school. Your employee student number, do not use your W number here, just use your 9-digit numerical portion of the W number. Department is PESH, capital P-E-S-H. Role in research is an undergraduate research student, so student researcher for an undergraduate level. You do not have to and are not required to complete address. That's your choice. I'm going to skip that portion right now, but I do need to complete a phone number. So I'm going to put in my a fake number here for the purposes of this video. Once you've completed that information, continue to step 7. There are several screens for step 7, so follow closely. The first screen for step 7, you are going to choose which type of research setting that you will complete your research. We are going to choose human subjects research and the responsible conduct of research. These will enable that we are registered for the correct courses, and then click Next. In order to place you on the appropriate course, we need to know if you have previously completed the basic course in protection of human subjects. No, you have not, since this is your first time registering with the CITI program. Then click Next. If this is your first time taking a CITI course at Winthrop, choose one learner group below based on your role and the type of human subject activities you will conduct. You will be enrolled in the basic course. So you are a social and behavioral research investigator. Please make your selection below to receive the courses in the responsible conduct of research. We are going to select the social and behavioral responsible conduct of research course, and then click Next. We are there. Finally, finalize your registration and you are complete. Hope this helps.